friends, TUXX here. You know, I've been loving my Sony 6s, okay, the new earbuds for 2026. Great noise canceling, very comfortable, definitely enjoyable. But the one opportunity, which I talked about with these, is that they don't have a way of clipping it on to a backpack, okay? And on my previous noise canceling earbuds from Sony, I bought an aftermarket case. And so I did that this time too. This one came recommended from a viewer. I wanted to go ahead and check it out. So this is how it comes from Amazon. I will have a link for this silicone case right below. So be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price, okay? Looks like it's a whole little kit. In fact, I don't even know what that thing is. So let's check this out together. We'll give this a little rip open here. There we go. Oops, things are flying around. And you really do want to make sure it's secure, because God forbid you don't want to lose your case. More about that in a second. That's interesting. Looks like this one does come with both the silicone case and kind of a lanyard, okay, and then also a clip. And then on the bottom here, it looks like there is a little bit of like 3M tape. Now, on my previous one for my 5s, I did have a problem that in time, the case came like unglued and would fall out, okay? So that was kind of a problem. One time it actually resulted in losing one of the earbuds, but I did retrieve it later. I did find it. It is nice it comes with this. This could be a little bigger, I'll be honest with you. Like, that feels like a pretty small little clip, you know? Let's take a look here, see if it's nice and springy or not. Let's see here. Yeah, not bad. I mean, it could be thicker. You know, maybe it's better that it's small. I will let you know if this like is truly like strong or not. It looks like it does stay in place, so I think that will be okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Like, I don't even know what the heck is this thing. Is this some kind of weird, looks like a piercing tool or something? Okay, maybe that's for feeding the thing through. Not sure. The case itself is definitely silicone. It's definitely rubbery. Feels good. Let's go ahead and put this into here. We'll take out the 3M part. Peeling back the tape here. There we go. Kind of wish there was more, because it looks like that is just on the top, which is very interesting. Why does the bottom not have it? So it looks like the C is right back there and does have a hole for that. So we're just going to kind of stick this in and give it a push. Looks like it is pretty tight. So we're going to push that down. Looks like that would not fall off. And then this Sony part here kind of goes right up in here. And we'll just give that a little push. And we'll give it a little press. The silicone feels nice and silicone-y. I mean, it feels nice. And it looks like it's not going to fall out easy. So it is pretty solid. Still not sure what the heck this crazy. If you know what this thing is, oh look, it's got like two sides. It has like a cleaning side, and then it has like a scraping, pushing needle side. If you know what this is, please let me know in the comments below. I've never had one come with this before. It looks like this is for needling the thread through a hole maybe or something, or poking a hole. I really do not know. But very bizarre thing. Looks like some kind of like travel Q-tip or something. Yeah, so if you know what this is, let me know, please, because I'm at a loss. Okay, so for this, all we have to do then would be put the clip on. And I guess you could do a couple things. You could either weed this through and have this like long, or you could just have this on the clip. I'm not sure which way I want to go with that, to be honest with you. In the previous ones, I just had the clip on. Let's take a look at what that would look like anyway. So we're going to feed this through here. And that just clips like that. Okay, and that feels pretty secure. I don't think that's gonna break or anything. And it looks like nothing is falling out, obviously. So I guess that's okay. It doesn't have a hole for the. Well, actually, there is like a little indentation of a circle right there, right next to the USB-C. So I do like that. In fact, you can charge it, which is good. And I'm sure this will be fine for like remote charging or whatever too. So that's all good. And this, you know, it's cool they include it at least. Oh, this is rubbery. Oh, I didn't expect that. This is silicone as well. I thought this would be like a nylon or a cloth or something. You never can have too many little lanyards, so I kind of welcome having this. I may use it with like an MP3 player or something else. But I think this is sufficient in length for what I want to do with it. But anyway, guys, I'm going to try this. I will let you know if this is good or not. maybe it's good. It seems good so far. So I'm going to give this a go. It wasn't terribly expensive. Again, I will have the best price for you right below so you can check it out. But I think this is a good way to go. I know that on the last one, it did mean a lot to me being able to clip it onto a backpack for extra security, you know, so I think that's warranted. I just hope that the case stays in here. I wish maybe, I mean, it definitely is tight, but you can see you can pull it back a little bit. So I kind of wish it was even tighter. But it seems like everything is quite secure, and maybe this will even give a little extra water resistance to it in case like it's on a backpack and gets wet or something, but it feels good. Let me know what you guys think, okay? I appreciate making it to the end of the video. If I have some additional comments on this, I'll either pin it below or make a follow-up video, but this is something I've been waiting on actually, because I was worried about losing this case and the earbuds, because they really do sound great, by the way. So if you're on the fence, I have a couple videos on these right now. The 6s from Sony, the 2026 noise canceling flagship earbuds. They are excellent, okay? After using these, I really don't, when I use my 5s, I'm like, oh, they sound good, but you know, I wish I was wearing those 6s. They're more comfortable, and the noise canceling is top notch. I think the noise canceling is even better than the 5s, tell you the truth, and the 5s are pretty magical. They're pretty amazing. So I think these headphones or these earbuds are awesome, and I think they warrant a case. In fact, I'd be willing to spend even more money for a more expensive case if it meant it was a better case. But this seems okay for the price, all right? All right, guys, that's all I got for you. Just wanted to show you. This is what I'm going to use. Let me know what you're using, okay? Love to hear from you, and we'll talk to you soon, okay? All right, bye-bye. Click the link.